February 26, Julian Crypto. Nothing here is a financial advice, and let's start it from on-chain data, of course. So as you can see here, stablecoin ratio, and it's RSI, and we had this pattern as we have right now, few times before in the past, and the price mostly went up just that second higher bottom. So right now we may see this pattern again. Here in a big scale, Bitcoin reserve on spot exchanges that green, light green, and as you can see, still going downwards, still decreasing. Meanwhile, stablecoins still increasing, and right now we are on the levels of stablecoins on spot exchanges when we were at the levels of $36,000. But those time the BTC reserve on exchanges, on the spot exchanges, were much higher than right now, because right now this reserve is much lower. So because of that, the price maybe even go higher than right now because of that Bitcoin deficit. Bitcoin deficit. Second thing is long-term holders, nothing here. Whales, nothing here right now. Fish, nothing here. Okay. And stablecoin, something here, but as you can see, not big inflow. This is this inflow, and this is helping price, of course, rising, but this is not any kind of big inflow that could change the price dramatically. So right now we are here, and here is a support zone, and this support zone is really strong. It seems to be really strong, because look at this, and if we look at this a little bit closer, in a closer scale, okay, so maybe we are going to this level of 41,000 something. Let's check it right here. 41,000 is right here, big resistance zone. 41,000, yeah. So maybe you are going to this level, and I will make an alert right here. Okay. So I will be alarmed if we are going here to this level. Okay, now remember that we are facing the invasion of Russia to the Ukraine, and in the past, buying the moment of the invasion was possibly the best local opportunity to get your stocks really cheap. And of course we are facing Fed interest rates, hiking interest rates, and I will be also talking about it today. And right now our Twitter. So first of all, let's take a look at these charts, and I will show you something. I will show you how different perspective from different traders. For the beginning, at first, Steve, it's his idea of Bitcoin, so to 42,000, back to 39,000, and then over 55,000. Or second idea, 42,000, then 55,000, yes, and then back again to 35, and back again to 65 something. So this is idea of Steve, idea of tech dev. He is also bullish right now, and suggesting that here we can go up even to 100,000 or maybe even 200,000, okay, for Bitcoin in 2023, in 2022 basically, maybe. income sharks are suggesting also that because of that big volume buying volume candle, like it was in August, in July, we may go up massively, right? Because of that big buying volume candle. Black is also bullish, all or not. Black is suggesting that the Bitcoin market is directly correlated to the stock prices, and it's clear that it is indeed. But remember that stock prices, maybe it corrected, yes, but maybe it will rise during next couple of months, because of historically when Fed hikes interest rates, the prices continues to increase. Kevin Swenson, he's bearish here. He's suggesting that maybe, like it was in the past, in 2014, 616 days after halving, it was a moment when the price went down massively, and after that, bottom. 2018, similar thing, similar pattern. Price went down, and after that, bottom. And right now, 2022, similar pattern. And are we going to face bottom soon? Who knows? I don't know, but it's up to you what you will decide. And here Benjamin Cohen is showing how the market and the Bitcoin reacted to Fed hiking interest rates. So Fed started hiking interest rates right here and right here, and the market continues to grow. And the end of the market, the end of the bull cycle was here in the middle of hiking interest rates. So maybe when Fed will start rising interest rates right now, the situation will be similar. Who knows? Altcoin Daily. Just in, China Supreme Court declared Bitcoin transactions illegal. If caught making transaction violators will be criminally prosecuted with a punishment of up to 10 years in prison and fines up to $79,000. And Matthew Hyland is suggesting the resistance zones 45,000, 52,000, 36,000 support zone, and 33,000. And charts BTC showing Bitcoin in past years and candles. Right now is 2022, so it would suggest that if history will repeat itself, this year wouldn't be so green for BTC, for Bitcoin. So minus 56%, minus 73% in 2018, in 2014 minus 56%. Your decision, it's up to you. Here is a post about 1 million donation in Bitcoin to Ukraine army today, but we already know that there is much more in Bitcoin donated to Ukrainians, more than $5 million right now, and maybe even more. We are with you, guys. Bitcoin mining energy uses only 1/10% of global world energy. So for example, the China, United States, European Union, India, Russia, Japan, Canada, Germany, Brazil, South Korea, Iran. And global mining, BTC. Okay? Don't believe that Bitcoin isn't green. And here's the chart of, not of Bitcoin, but of of Bitcoin basically, but it's in Satoshi, and Satoshi to and US dollar to Satoshi. So Satoshi per US dollar. Right now, the Satoshi is currently the smallest unit of the Bitcoin currency recorded on the blockchain. It is 100 million of a single Bitcoin. The unit has been named in collective homage to the original creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. And here, the charts BTC is saying that Satoshi dollar unfairly cheap. Unfairly cheap. Here, crypto prediction suggests us that we are in the local bottom, according to on-chain, according to technical analysis, and the cheat sheet is suggesting something different, something much different, that we may go down. So this is look at the different points of views, and this guy, Aganon, is suggesting that we are in this channel and we may go up to about $42,000, something like this. Here is a sell zone. We will see, of course, what will happen. So it's about Bitcoin, yeah? So as you can see, many different predictions on Bitcoin. And it's up to you what you will do with this. You have to know that Bitcoin is a new form of money. Bitcoin is used by more and more people and more countries in many transactions. And right now, we are at the moment when the Bitcoins to stablecoins, there's really less Bitcoins than stablecoins. So in the past, it was great time to accumulate, long-term accumulate. But you have to know that there might be some sell-off in the next couple of weeks. But right now we are facing this. So this is your decision what you will do. Make your own research. And what else? Cointelegraph 100. Most influential people. For example, Nike Bukele, CEO of Cryptocurrencies Chris Marshallek, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, Shiba Dog, CEO of Decentraland, co-founder of Chainlink, of Sandbox, of OpenSea, Sam Backman, CEO of FTX, and WAGMI. WAGMI is it means hold your Bitcoin, don't sell it, and it's like a mantra for crypto investors. Okay, for today that's almost all. Also, I wanted to show you this interesting thing about internet computer. Internet computer, the most advanced blockchain, yeah. If you messed Bitcoin and at 2010, don't mess ICP at 2022. And especially what is the most important here is, of course, internet computer has smart contracts, have web frontend, and storage computing, and speed. Not 60 seconds like Solana, not some seconds. 2 seconds and reach 200 milliseconds. And transactions per second, it's written here almost 3000 transactions per second. And storage cost. This is most important. For example, if you want to store something on Ethereum, which is not prepared to store anything, but if you would like to, so you would pay more than $400 million per 1 gigabyte per year. And if you want to store something on internet computer, you will pay only $5 per gigabyte per year. Your decision. Of course, do your own research. It's just for your information. Okay, guys, and for today that's all. Thank you, and see you next day. Cheers.